welcome back to Chit Chat with Chick, and I am still your fabulous. I think you already know my name. Celebrating Pride, yes. But this year we're celebrating inside, and that is okay because there's still a pandemic going on in the world. But you can still celebrate indoors, and you know what though? We celebrate Pride 365-247 around here. So just because there's a pandemic doesn't mean that we will stop celebrating our Pride. All right, remember that. Key 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 sidetracked. I actually miss saying that. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, I am still Chick who's gone crazy. And lost my mind with another BOXYCHARM. That was so cheesy. It's gonna be like the thing. Alright, this week, week, been like a day. What are you talking about? So, this is the May box. Yeah, and we are excited to see what is inside of it. Yeah. Alright, and with all that being said, enjoy the show. Mwah. Bye. Let go of everything. Okay, so we have our next box of BOXYCHARM. So very excited to see what's inside. Shall we? Let's open her up, and this is what she looks like. And I got a thingy, the BOXYCHARM cards. It tells you all the details of what's in the box, and I'm so excited. Theme for May, I'm a little behind, is Mother Nature. Oh, so pretty. Oh, this video. The first one is the ELEMIS Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pad to gently yet effectively smooth the skin, revealing a visibly luminous complexion. This is $59. I'm moving on. Next thing is another palette. Okay, we got the Violet VOSS Essentials palette. This is $25. Oh my god. Ah! Plastic be gone. Okay. So that's what you're looking at. It's pretty. I'm loving this right now. Ooh, look at that green. Oh, what are we gonna do? Oh, I don't know. The next one on the list is from Pretty Vulgar, a UNCAGED eyeshadow primer. I dropped my card. Okay, I'm back. For all skin tones, $22. The next thing is Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. Ooh, thing I can't read. Biomimetic for more defined and voluminous looking lips. Can't wait to test that out. Excited for that. This is $26. The last, of course, is from Tarte. This is Tarte's Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. The ultimate lazy girl hack. Oh, what? I'm not a girl, but I'm a diva, and I'm a queen. And this is at $18. Now let's get into it and try some of the stuff out and have fun. So to start off, we're actually gonna try the eye primer from Pretty Vulgar. Can I just tell you that I love that name? Pretty Vulgar, come on. The eyes are primed, and we have to figure out what we're gonna do with this. At least this one has a mirror. What are we thinking? We're gonna start with this pink right here. So go with the plum. And we're gonna put the plum in the outer corner. I'm not feeling this right now. You know what? We're gonna go in with the cream right for the inner corner into the middle of the eye. Okay, we are in this situation, but now it is time. It is time for you to finish your face. Bye! Okay, now that we are baking, we gotta do the under eye, darling. And we're taking the Luxie 121 mini tapered for the plum. And now we're gonna go in with the Luxie 131, and that is the mini angled brush. And we're gonna go in back with that cream. Alright, we'll come back to clean off our face, and then... Okay, so we did our usual shenanigans with some highlights and some blush because, ooh. But now we're gonna try this iconic London. My lips are luscious, luscious. So actually I kind of want to try another look. Shall we try another look? Let's see. Girl, I realized that I did not blend all of my contour. Fix that. We'll make sure not to make that mistake again. So don't clock me on it. Yeah? Okay. The interruptions. Happy Pride. This bitch. It keeps going.
Rain on me. Baby, I was born to be brave. 'Cause baby, you were born this way.
And I am in love with this new one. I really like this one. I wanted to do something different compared to the last video. And this is it. I'm in love with this. Now, let's talk about it, okay? The ELEMIS, I will try it, and if I like it, I will let you guys know. Probably in the comments down below. The palette, it was good. I liked it. I had to play around with the colors a little bit. It's really good. I like the shimmer. There's a lot to play with in there, and this green is to die for. The Pretty Vulgar, good. It worked phenomenal with this palette, so that was great. No issues with that. The lip plump. Well, my lips are already big, so like I'm not gonna be able to tell if they're any bigger or anything like that. However, I do feel like a little tingly going on, so I'm presuming that something is going on, and we'll be keeping an eye on that. The micellar water. Okay, this works just as any other micellar water, but I did like it. Will I continue to use it? I don't know. It did sting my eyes a little bit when I did wash off the plum look. So I don't know how I feel about it. Maybe if I try it another couple of times, maybe I get a different reaction. We shall see. So that is everything from your May BOXYCHARM box. With all that being said, kiddies, I had a really good time with this box. I am loving BOXYCHARM right now, and it is great. I like the fact that I get so many different products, and I actually didn't total it this time. So, kiddies, this box actually came to $154, and I only paid $25 for the subscription, and I am getting more than my money's worth, I think, in my opinion. So the link to BOXYCHARM will be down below if you're interested, as well as all of the links to all of the products that I got in this month's box. Not this month, last month's, because I'm late. Sue me. I don't have a lawyer, so have fun with that. But yeah, with all that being said, kitties, if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up down there. And since you're in that general area, be sure to click that button and subscribe to this wonderful channel full of craziness and full of shenanigans, per usual, because that's just what we do. Since you're in that general area, be sure to click that little bell, and you will know when I upload next, which, I don't know, we're trying to get some of these boxes together so that we can actually get up in line with the months. I know we're about 2 months behind, but we still got June, and July is literally right around the corner. That being said, kitties, be sure to leave me a comment down below on what else you would like to see, any other looks from these palettes. Pick a couple colors and let me know, and maybe we'll try a look or two. With all that being said, kitties, smooches, bitches, mwah, mwah, mwah. Happy Pride. Bye.